grid by using the renewable energy we generate on site as efficiently as possible. We try to send as little renewable energy back to the grid as possible because that causes congestion problems. And when we need energy from the grid, we aim to do so when the price is cheapest, which also happens to be when supply is highest.
The energy supply of the future will be increasingly electric. Heat pumps and electric cars will replace gas boilers and gasoline vehicles. More local suppliers of sustainable energy are emerging, presenting new challenges for the electricity grid. It is harder to keep the system balanced and prevent congestion. Flexibility can help with this. For example, electric cars and machines can be temporarily turned off when there is a risk of overloading the grid, or energy can be stored in local batteries for later use. Various innovative companies are working on flexibility solutions. SMAPI is one such company. It has a smart charging and energy management system with dynamic overload protection. The charging system has built-in solar forecasting and charges electric vehicles entirely with solar energy. The system anticipates beneficial off-peak rates, and users can set their desired capacity limit to avoid high charges.
SMAPI has developed its own energy management system. This modular system can handle up to 28 measurements with a single unit. It allows users to monitor different consumers and see solar and wind production. There's an integrated dashboard and app. Additionally, SMAPI provides AC and DC charging stations. By adding the energy management system to these AC and DC charging stations, we make them smart. Smart features include dynamic overload protection, known as dynamic load balancing, which we monitor by the second. Another feature is solar optimization. If we need energy from the grid, we do so when rates are lowest, which we call rate optimization. Recently, we have implemented some great projects, such as at Pivotpark in Oss, where we installed 24 AC charging points. There, too, it's crucial to prevent overloading, which requires dynamically adjusting the charging points.
Businesses are increasingly thinking about their long-term energy needs. In addition to providing charging stations for customers or employees, they are also looking at how they use energy. When do they generate their own energy, and when do they consume it? We increasingly get asked to provide insight into their consumption and generation, as well as how to use energy more intelligently. For example, how can they directly charge their vehicles or power their labs using energy from their solar panels? This particular location faces infrastructure limitations, so we explored ways to install as many charging facilities as possible. SMAPI offers a good solution with dynamic load balancing, allowing us to expand the number of facilities. Our partnership with TK Urban Energy emphasizes innovations like those SMAPI has introduced with its solutions.
With our solution, we better match supply and demand, keeping the grid balanced. We all see that the grid cannot keep up, but with solutions like SMAPI's, we can make the most of the existing network.